How to access Netflix original content. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So here's the good news. To access the Netflix original content, all you need to do is get yourself a Netflix subscription. Netflix originals are clearly labeled on the platform, making them easy to find. So here's the basic guide you need to follow. First and foremost, you have to select a plan that suits your needs. You can easily check it out in Netflix website. Search for Netflix originals in the search bar to find specific titles or browse through the Netflix original category. This means all you need to do is just tap on the search icon, then search for Netflix originals. Then you will find every shows that is Netflix originals in the category. Netflix offers a wide range of genres from dramas and comedies to documentary and children's show. So you can just click on any of the original by Netflix and enjoy throughout your day. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.